guys? Why am I here? Did he spit on me? Oh, fuck! Oh, ah! What the hell was that? Yo, man, I just want to find out what I'm doing here. Can someone answer my questions? Answer my questions, please. Ah, ah, oh.
Are you here for leisure or business?
Where the f even am I?
Shut your mouth! I'm gonna ask you one last time. Leisure or business?
Business?
Welcome to Samoa.
What if I said leisure?
Ain't no leisure here. Have fun. Next in line.
Ooh, Brad, hurts my eyes.
Leisure or business?
I'm here for baggage claim.